welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great fall. It's a pretty rainy day here in the Charlotte area, so I'm just hanging out, working on some YouTube videos and working on some of my resumes that I am trying to submit to some local jobs to hopefully get another job going on. I've still been out of work for a little while. Taking a break, traveling with Matt. Looking forward to starting work back in hopefully a few weeks. I really wanted to buy this Good Morning Pumpkin mug off of Amazon, but it was literally like $25. I am not paying 25 bucks for a mug. So then literally like the next day I had to go into Walgreens for something and I found this and it was 5 bucks and I love it. It's super cute, so I use it in the video today. We're gonna go in the kitchen and make some chocolate chip mocha muffins. I love these muffins. They're delicious. They are a really healthy muffin. They're whole food, plant-based, gluten-free. Just make sure that you get gluten-free oats. And it's a great way to use those ripe spotted bananas that are about to go bad in your fruit basket. You only need 2 and you can use them in this recipe. In a large mixing bowl, combine oat flour, cocoa powder, coconut sugar, baking soda, and baking powder. Whisk that together until nice and combined. And moving on to the wet ingredients, first you'll need to prep 2 things. You'll need to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to some non-dairy milk. This helps with leavening and giving it a really nice flavor. Then you'll need to make 1 flax egg, which is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water, and it makes a gelatinous egg type of substance. But make sure that you add it to the recipe. Y'all, I've forgotten flax eggs so many times in recipes because I've had it sitting in the fridge, so don't forget your flax egg. Alright, now we can combine all the wet ingredients. You'll just need 2 ripe bananas, a little bit of date syrup, some coffee extract, which is going to give it a really nice mocha flavor, some vanilla, and the flax egg and non-dairy milk mixture from earlier. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and stir until just combined. Doesn't this song remind you of Dreams by Fleetwood Mac? I love it. And the best part of the recipe, some dark chocolate chips. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, portion out the batter into 9 muffin liners. And to make it look really cute and festive for fall, I'm using these adorable, eco-friendly tulip muffin liners. I love them. I think they look so adorable for the season. When the muffins are ready, check them with a toothpick to make sure they are cooked all the way through in the center. The combination of the chocolate and the coffee extract gives these muffins a really delicious, rich mocha flavor. Pair it with some hot coffee or tea and these make a great fall treat. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. And please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you and I respond to everyone. Have a really fun Halloween this Saturday. I hope that you stay safe and eat lots of delicious candy. I will see you in my next one. Bye.